easy as 1, 2, 3. Brief tutorial on our Recharge Regimen. It's a 3-in-1 supercharged cleanser. Skin treatment made for young adult skins who don't have necessarily wrinkles or acne, but yet they are combated with the same stressors. A lack of sleep, diet, blue light, you name it. Environmental aggressive. Now, this first step is my favorite. Like if I had makeup on, it clicks up all your makeup, all your eye makeup, which I don't have today. It has little bubbles in it, which just you could feel like just like moisturizing your skin. It's an electrified proprietary complex, so the 5 ingredients are the antioxidants, which boosts the skin's moisture. So just take it off, really quick wipe. Dab will do ya. I'm going to dab it up and tell you it's got electrolytes, which also rebalances moisture. The antioxidants also defends the skin against those environmental aggressors. The peptides in it also reduces redness and inflammation. There are prebiotics, which actually balances the skin, and then also the SUPERFRUITS, that's what it was, but nourishes the skin. So then the step 2 at night is all you do. 1, 2, you're done. Pulls and go right into bed. It's the balancing moisturizer. So literally 2 little dabs will do ya. I like to put it on my neck too, but anyway, all over. Now, if I was going out for the day, there is this wonderful step 3. It's like a primer, so it will blur any imperfections in your skin. So let's say you still have a few dark marks. So this is actually almost gone from my reverse regimen. But if I put this on before my Radiant Defense, it's really a nice primer. And that's it. That's so easy. It's on sale right now. It's rarely anything is on sale, but it's an excellent price. Normally $132 retail, and my preferred customers will get it today through the 30th for $102. So let me know. Okay, great holiday gifts, by the way. I'm getting it for my young adult girls.